crikey. Now, this is amazing. I have just discovered one of the most rare and exciting deals in outdoor adventure found anywhere in the Americas. Mate, Foxfire Mountain, located in the exotic Tennessee Smoky Mountains. This beauty has 2 amazing zip line courses, a magnificent 60-foot climbing wall, a thrilling freefall jump, 2 rare species of challenge courses, miles of exciting hiking trails to a spectacular 60-foot waterfall, America's longest swinging bridge, and some of the most exotic non-native animal species ever found in East Tennessee. Oh, and at such a low price. Mate, I would let a croc bite my left arm off just to go there. Boo!